no basic zone.
What's up, Stushy English girl? Stushy back with another video. If you're new, then hey boo, my name is Stushy. For my return subscribers, welcome back to the channel, you guys. You guys know I'm always happy to have you guys back to check out our brand new videos. Today, as you guys can see, we have something different going on. So I tried my hand at a Halloween look. As you guys have already read from the title, this is going to be my very first Halloween look for 2020. Being that it is a spooky season, I wanted to actually come up with one look, and I felt like some people were actually waiting for me to drop some Halloween looks. So this is my very first look. I don't know what I'm calling it as yet, but if you are interested in seeing how I created this look, if you guys want to try this look for Halloween, then keep on watching. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure you watch this video in its entirety, and yeah, share this video with someone else that might like this look.
Okay gang, to start off, I'm going to be adding this shade Spice from e.l.f.'s Retro Paradise palette on my eye and placing it a little bit above my crease, and I'm going to be using that as a transitional shade, and I'm also going to start to wing it out just a little bit. Don't mind me, I was trying to make a reel. God knows how that turned out, girl. And oh yeah, don't mind my nose. During this entire video, I did go ahead and powder it down because it's always sweating. I'll fix it in the end, I promise, I promise. Now I'm going to be jumping into Auntie Jackie's palette. I'll be patting Wiggly's on my lid while also trying to do my best to wing the shadow out. I got this item from Makeup by Mario at Sephora. It's used to intensify eyeshadows. I honestly need to play around with it a bit more, but I do think it helped to make Wiggly's pop just a little bit. Then I'll be going back in with the first brush to blend the transitional shade with Wiggly's.
Palette just fell, Jackie, and I'm praying it didn't break, y'all.
Now I'll be going back in with Spice using that dark brown shade / black shade Midnight that you guys see in a minute, and I'll be working it above my brow and underneath my cheekbone. I'm basically trying to give the impression that the sequins are coming out from underneath my skin or bruising my skin. Now time for some fun with the sequins. I'll be using these 3 colors to adhere them onto my face with clear lash glue. And of course, the struggle starts here because your girl trying to pick up those sequins, very tedious process. And I'll just be placing the sequins down until I'm satisfied with how everything looks. And I got these sequins from Dollar Tree. That entire pack was $1. I also have another set that has like a variety of different blues, but I bought these when I was doing a lot of DIY during quarantine, and I don't know, they've just been sitting in my makeup collection, so what better time to use them than for Halloween. And I might even pull these back out for some Christmas looks.
I gotta post my picture for the gram today. Gotta post my picture for the gram today.
Now I'm going to jump back into the e.l.f. palette using that orange and the brown to intensify things, to make the look just look a little bit more realistic, to make the sequins actually look like, you know, they're coming from underneath my skin.
Girl, I'll fix the nose later.
And I wanted the eyes to be a bit more vibrant, so I went in with this red called Toucan Play That Game from the Brentman Rock collaboration with Wet n Wild. And I went ahead and packed that on the lid and used the exact same shadow on my lower lash line. Now to finish off the eyes, I'll be adding some Fenty Beauty mascara along with some black liner in my waterline. In a minute, you guys will see that I also went ahead and added my lashes from my lash business, Capra NYC, in the style Stush. You'll also see that I decided to add another sequin patch on my face, so I'll shut up for a little bit so you guys can enjoy that little process. I just felt like I needed something else, okay? Feeling it, yes. So while I have y'all here, I want to make sure that you guys have registered to vote in your state. You are eligible to vote, and please make sure you guys are going out and voting on November 3rd, or if you like to vote in advance, you guys can use your mail-in ballot, but make sure y'all have all that situated, okay? Thank you very much. Now that we've got that out of the way, let's go ahead and jump into the lippy. So I've already lined my lips with a brown lip liner. Now I'll be using this Fenty Beauty Mademoiselle lipstick in the shade Freckle Fiesta, FYI. These Mademoiselle lipsticks are on sale at Sephora and on Fenty Beauty, just to let y'all know, and they're bomb as hell. But I also used this liquid blush in the shade Love from Rare Beauty for a bit more pout. Now let me go ahead and fix this nose off camera, and we'll be right back.
I've got some blood. My neighbors are playing music, so hopefully you guys can't hear them, but I'm gonna put some blood on top of my sequin.
And I'm just dropping glue wherever I see fit, wherever I think it will look good. I'm just placing it down. It's not supposed to be strategic. There aren't any rules to Halloween looks. Make it fun, make it your own. Don't get too caught up with these Halloween looks. It's all for fun, okay?
I added sequins to my hands as well, y'all.
And as you guys can see, I also went ahead and added a sequin in my inner corner. I'm gonna add some more blood to my face, and I really hope you guys are enjoying this video so far. Without any further ado, let's go ahead and get into these slow-mos.
Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I don't know what I'm gonna call this look as yet. I'm thinking Sequin, but I think that's kind of corny. I don't know. But let me know how you guys are liking this look. Maybe zombie Sequin. I don't know. Let me know what you guys think I should title the look down below. But of course, by the time you guys watch this video, I will already have put a title up for the video. But I hope you guys enjoyed my very first Halloween look. Honestly, I just looked around in my makeup collection for things that I already had. I know my nose is sweating right now. And I had these sequins sitting here that I've wanted to do a makeup look with for the longest time. And what better time to use sequins than Halloween Halloween or, you know, the holidays. So this is what we came up with. I hope you guys really enjoyed today's video. It's 1:37. I want to say I started at like 11:30, so I've been sitting here for a little while applying these sequins. So make sure you leave me a big thumbs up if you enjoyed today's video. Make sure you hit that subscribe button if you haven't already subscribed. Share this video with someone else that might like this look, that might want to actually try this look for Halloween. And if you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and turn on post notifications to be alerted whenever I upload a new video. And until next time, until next video, until next upload, until next post, maybe until next Halloween look, I don't know, we'll see. I'll see you guys all later. Bye guys.